For those of you that missed the end of the video, sorry, here is number 20. If you love to make air dry clay vases, maybe you would like to make something from air dry clay to go in them. And so I have a technique where I make these large lotus seed heads, and I simply take some polystyrene and some tin foil and make that as my structure. So if you have anything that needs to be a bit larger, then always start with a base. Tin foil's great for that, and I'm simply just giving a bit of extra strength with my glue gun, and then I've cut a big disc of air dry clay, and I'm simply going to sculpt this around and make my lotus seed pod, a really good jumbo size one for my home decor. Please comment below if you'd like to see a full tutorial on this, and I can do a video especially on this kind of design and this kind of item that I really do love to make, so I hope you give them a go. I'm simply just doing 2 discs of clay for the top, and then I just attach them together with some air dry clay slip and use the score and slip method as I do in lots of my other videos. Paint them up in any colours you wish, and I think they look absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching my 20 air dry clay gift ideas. I hope that's given you lots of inspiration. Please do like and subscribe and come back to see some more of my air dry clay videos. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.